Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Distance Jewelry unboxing. This video is in collaboration with Distance Jewelry, and I'm very proud to say that they are actually my very first brand collab on this channel. I'm very picky when it comes to brand sponsorships, so whenever I get emails from brands that I feel like I won't be able to represent well, I usually decline them. I want my brand deals to also represent my YouTube channel as a brand. So when Distance Jewelry reached out to me, I resonated with their brand, and I knew that this was a brand that I can genuinely talk about in my channel because this is something that is more of my style and something that I really like. So again, when it comes to sponsorships, I really prefer things that I like, because how else would you possibly advertise something if you don't genuinely like it, right? So for this brand, I really like their stuff. They sent me over a couple of things, well, 3 items, so I'm going to be unboxing them with you guys. But before anything else, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If these are the kinds of videos that you like watching, I would appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to connect with me on Instagram, it's @TrishDLF. So Distance Jewelry is, I would say, a mid-range jewelry brand. They're based in China and Hong Kong, and they ship to most countries worldwide. They have a bunch of jewelry available on their website, from necklaces to earrings, bracelets, rings, and the jewelry they offer vary from either copper-based or silver-based, and they're either coated or plated with 18K gold or white gold, or they can sell them as is as silver. So they sent me 3 boxes of jewelry, so these are the boxes that they sent me, and I'm gonna be opening them with you guys. For this collab, I wanted to show you guys the quality and make of the different types of jewelry that they have. So I picked out a pair of earrings, a ring, and a bracelet, so I can show you guys the range and the quality of materials that they use for all of these items. So first, let's unbox the ring, because it's the only yellow gold that I got in this set. The other 2 that I'm gonna be showing you guys later, they're both silver. So for this one, it just came in this box. Just says Distance over there, and when you open it, this is how it came in because it was shipped. So it was also packaged in this plastic, I guess, because for shipping, and so it won't get dirty or oxidized or something. And then it came with just this cloth, cleaning cloth, and that's about it. So let's open it. This is the little bag, and this is the ring. So this is what it looks like. It's like a double cross ring with cubic zirconia on top of the other cross. Let me put it over here, and this is what it looks like. Don't you guys like that? I think it looks really nice and dainty. I really love my gold rings, so this is really perfect for my stack. I actually have some rings here that I have from my collection, and I will show you guys like how I can stack this really well. So I'll just put this snake ring, and then this other little, what do you call this? It's just a plain circular ring. I don't know what you call it, but this is what it looks like stacked. Like, look at that. I feel like this kind of stack looks very bohemian. It looks really nice. It's very dainty, and I just love how it goes with my other 2 rings. Okay, so for this specific ring, I just want to talk about it more. So on the website, this is called the double cross ring, and this 18K gold plated with cubic zirconia on one of the crosses. So this specific ring is available in either a copper or a sterling silver. So there's a copper and the sterling silver option, which means that if you want something more affordable, there's the copper plated version, and if you want something more premium, you can go for the sterling silver gold plated one. So this one that they sent me, actually all of them are sterling silver. However, for this one, even though you have 2 options for the base metal, they're both 18K gold plated. So it's actually stated in the website that it's guaranteed to retain its original color because of its 18K gold plating. So for these products, by the way, I'm going to be linking them down below, and I'm also just going to be adding the prices down here when I show like the close-ups of each item. Next that I'm going to be showing you guys is this. This is a pair of earrings, and here they are. So this one, they are owl earrings. These are owl studded earrings which have like an opal stone on them. So this is just what they look like. They're very tiny, so I'm not sure if you can see from the camera like this far away, but I'm just going to be doing close-ups for you guys, and I really love the detail on this one. When I saw this on the website, this was something that I really liked immediately. It was just so cute. It's just like such a very fun earring. So I really love the detail on this one. This is silver metal base again, so it's hypoallergenic and you won't have allergies from wearing them. So for these earrings, I was actually pretty surprised by the quality when I opened them and I put them on. Let me put them on to show you guys first. The thing with these earrings is that, you know, they're actually really sturdy. I was pretty surprised. I have a big range when it comes to my jewelry collection, so I have like a lot of cheap jewelry, which I also really like. I love cheap jewelry, and I also have a lot of fine jewelry. Like, I'm very experienced with the quality of cheap jewelry because I have a lot of them, and I also know the quality of expensive high-end jewelry, so I can more or less tell. And this one, I was really surprised because for the affordable price, the quality of this was actually really good. You can tell when it comes to the actual like lock of the earrings, it's very, very sturdy. In comparison to like some of my other cheaper earrings. So that's what I was really impressed with when it came to these earrings. So this is what it looks like. I will just zoom in again because it's so far and it's very tiny, but I just really like how it's just so dainty. You guys see it? So it's just like a dainty pair, and when you get close up, it's like, oh, it's a cute little owl. So yeah, and I love the color. I love that it's like this opal color. It really stands out, and I just really think that it's such a cute, fun earring to wear. Okay, finally, the last thing that we're going to be unboxing is this little box. Actually, this is my favorite thing in this unboxing. I really liked it. It's something that I feel like I would really wear like a lot. I mean, like, personally, these are pieces that I would really buy myself, but this one is actually just really my favorite out of all the three that I showed you guys. So this one is a bangle, and again, it just came in a plastic bag from the box, and this is what's in the box, and it is a heart bangle. It's a silver bangle, and again, guys, this is something that I was also impressed with the quality when I brought it out of the box. So this is called the heart bangle in sterling silver with cubic zirconia stones all over it. So I think the reason that I really like this bracelet is because it looked a lot like the Cartier Love bracelet, except it's hearts and it's in silver. So the detail on this, it's like it's engraved in hearts, and then it's interchanged with cubic zirconia stones. So it's like heart, cubic zirconia, heart, CZ. And I find this really, really cute. And yeah, this was a bracelet that I was actually very impressed with when it came out of the box, because there was some weight to it. Like, I wasn't expecting much, but when I opened this and I brought it out, like the weight of it, I was like, wow, this is actually really good quality. So basically how you put it on is there's like it's not like the screw type like the Cartier ones. This one's just like you push it up like this, and then you just open it as so. Push the lock up, and then you can put it on your wrist, and this is what it looks like, and then just click it back in. You have to push again. So there. So there, you just push it in, and that's what it looks like. And doesn't that look so beautiful? Like, it's just so casual, and it's very, I don't know, it's very elegant. And I'm not sure if you can see like the cubic zirconia shining from there, but yeah, that's what it looks like. Again, I'll just put in some close-up shots, but this is that bracelet. And for the bracelet, I wanted something silver because I already have a lot of gold jewelry, so I wanted something different, and they definitely pulled through with this bracelet. I think it's really, really cute. I plan to stack this with like my Pandora bracelets. I'll show you guys. I'll wear this. So I stacked it with two of my Pandora bracelets, and this is just what it looks like. Don't you guys think that looks so beautiful? Like, look at it. You can just go around, and yeah, I think it's really, really nice, and it's silver, so that makes this stack really perfect. And even on its own, it looks really gorgeous. So definitely this bracelet is going to get a lot of wear. It's also very convenient to wear. You just snap it on. It's not like the Cartier ones which you have to screw on or whatever. So this looks really great. It's very, very casual, and it's really, really cute with all the heart details and the CZ all over it. For this bracelet, it only comes in one size, so this is a 7-inch version, but I think that it fits my wrist very, very well. I have small wrists though, so if you have bigger wrists, you might want to measure your wrist first to make sure that this one fits. This one also comes in the copper and the sterling silver version. So yeah, that was my quick unboxing of Distance Jewelry. All the links to the items that I showed will be down below, and I've also linked their website where you can see more of the items that they carry. And last but not least, we can't leave this video without a discount code for you guys. So of course, I do have a discount code with Distance Jewelry. You can use the code Trisha12 to get 12% off any purchase on the website. And they also have a promo, buy one and get the second one at 20% off. Just use the code SV20. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed some of the pieces that Distance Jewelry has to offer. They have a lot more variety on their website, so you should really check them out. Even just to window shop is really fun because they have a lot of stuff to offer. Thanks guys for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!